I raced up here for the vlog so I can record my parents coming up. Appreciate this next clip, okay?
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Okay. Đừng ăn
It is currently our second day here in Kauai. We are just gonna go check out the north side today and drive around, see what's up. We have mass later at 5. Hopefully we can get some snorkeling in. And whoa, look at this cool bridge. And right now we're gonna go check out a beach, so should be fun. My mom already has to. Going back up is gonna be a pain, but these are my dad has this thing now where, because he sees I have a YouTube channel, my dad has this thing where he tells me to tape certain things for you guys. He just told me to tape this moment for you guys. Let me show you. Whoa, a little cave. Take a picture, Mom. Is this car not cool? This is our Mazda 3. It's like a little hatchback. I think it's the cutest thing ever.
Moments later.
I am absolutely sweating from that mile walk from the parking lot here and then down the little trail. Oh my gosh, this place is insane. I understand why they call it Hideaway. Let me show you the spot we have selected for ourselves. Yeah, we're at church later, but we might be staying here for a while. Okay, let me show you. I mean, I don't think it gets better than this. But wait, it does. Look at this water. Insane. It is crystal clear. Oh my gosh, my dad just got soaking wet. I need a little snack break, but we're definitely gonna get in the water. We're gonna do some snorkeling and we're gonna have some fun. Okay, let's try the Hawaiian Airlines Passion Orange Nectar juice that they give us. Ooh, this tastes really good. Hawaiian Airlines has been one of my favorite airlines. It's amazing. This is the banana bread from the luau. We haven't tried it yet, so we're gonna try it. Banana bread. Very, very moist banana bread. This is delicious. Not bad. That's really good. They're all eating. Yeah, this one's a lot sweeter than Auntie Sandy's, but it's pretty good. The crusties on top are what make it really delicious. Anyways, let's get in the water. Dad, what happened to you? You got it. My parents were really good and they went snorkeling today, but my dad wasn't paying attention and he accidentally hit one of the big rocks that were out there, so he started bleeding. He didn't feel it until he got outside, but yeah. So now we're gonna head back. Let me show you the path. You definitely need 2 hands to go up this, so I might not be able to vlog it, but they made a cool rope path for you, and it's really nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh. My mom is literally dragging my dad back. So sad to say goodbye. It's insane. Insanity. Time to go up the rope path. I raced up here for the vlog so I can record my parents coming up. Appreciate this next clip, okay? Grab that one too, Mom. Yeah, good job. Good job. Here we go. Last bits. Okay, for family future reference, if you guys want to go to this hideaway beach, this is how you get there. There's going to be like 10 parking spots there. When you look up hideaway beach, there'll be 10 parking spots here. If you don't find parking, I'll show you where we parked. It's about a mile away. It's the only free parking that they allow. But once you walk back, I'm tired. Once you walk back, get to the parking lot, walk straight to the parking lot, and then you'll see this sign, and that's where you go. Whee! All the way down. I'm telling you guys all this after I learn everything. Let me show you the small hideaway beach lot that they have. It's really small. This is the parking lot. It's about 10 spots. Yeah, 10 spots. And you're lucky if you get a parking here. Then this is the path that you walk in reverse when you're trying to get here, but it's quite a long walk. I'll show you the path. Okay. This is the walk back to the golf course. There's a walking path that they set for you, and it's a pretty straight walk. There's some scenic views, but for the most part, it's really hot and there's no shade. My mom found a Vietnamese friend. Okay, we have one last stretch to go. My mom has found some new Vietnamese friends. Honestly, every time they meet Vietnamese people in another state, in another country, they freaking love it. Their mood changes dramatically, and they just love being around their own people. This is where we parked. They have a whole parking lot that you can park at, and it's available for non-golfers as well, said the man that we talked to. So the parking lot looks like over there. Oh no, this is there. It's, I don't know how it tastes, but it's passion fruit. It's the Hanale Sweet. Is it good? It's passion fruit. There's ice cream in the middle as well. Try the ice cream in the middle. It's pretty good. Would I get it again? No. I'm gonna try a different flavor. But this is not bad. I'd probably try rainbow next time. One more quick stop before we have to head back from Mass. We're gonna go see a cave. I'll put the name here. It is right off the side of the road.
Muối.
Hả? This is insane. Wow. You can walk all the way in. I'm getting itchy. I'm also nervous of bats. My mom is in there. Where is she? She's right there. It is currently dinner time and we're trying Bubba Burgers. This place was recommended to me by my friend, so we got a bunch of food and we're gonna try it out. And it should be good. It smells good. I'm starving. I got a bunch of food. We have fish and chips. I separated them. Fish and chips. I got my mom a fish sandwich. It looks like fish and chips in a sandwich. And then I got my dad a double burger and a Caesar salad. Fried. Let's try it. Fish and chip.
Bây giờ bên nó 1 giờ mẹ lên.
Oh, this is really, really good. This is a Caesar salad. Mix it a little bit. Ooh, a lot of dressing. A lot of dressing in the Caesar salad. Cheers. Dad, is the burger good? Dad says burger's good. With this sauce. So yummy. It's a little dark out here, but it's good. Not me watching my latest vlog and then I hear my intro playing. It's my dad. My dad is watching my videos. Subscribe.